Hello, I am Dr. Ann Shillingford, Associate Professor here at the University of Central Florida. I am officially starting my 10th year here, and I am super excited to be here to continue to see our students learn and grow and become the professionals that they have chosen to become. My research line of inquiry focuses on sociocultural issues that impact the livelihood of people of color. And by that, I mean looking at educational, looking at medical, looking at other systemic issues or um, organizations and protocols, procedures, policies that affect the Black and Brown individuals in our society. I am also interested in, along with this, looking at the role of counselors and particularly school counselors in supporting children of color, particularly in navigating with children and families through the different systems that currently affect the learning process as well as the social emotional development of children. If someone is wanting to apply to a doc program, first of all, kudos to you. Congratulations on that thought. I would say first, decide if this is the right time for you. Being a doc program takes time, it takes energy, and it takes selfishness as well. And what I mean by that is it takes you away from family, it can take you away from friends, it can take you away from children. It certainly takes you away from your job, which means it takes you away from your financial responsibilities. So it is something that you really need to think about and decide if this is the right time for you, as well as your family and those others with whom you communicate on a daily basis. I think UCF is unique. First of all, we're uniquely positioned in the Orlando area, so close to Disney and a lot of the other attractions. I also think particularly our counselor education program, we have faculty who are doing great things, big things, lots of research. And so we are movers and shakers. We are change agents in what we're doing as faculty here, as well as our students, doctoral students and master students. We take a holistic approach with our doc students, and by that I mean they are immersed in the teaching, they're immersed in teaching research, they're immersed in supervision, leadership, and advocacy as well. So students who come to our program, they get an enriched experience that really gets them ready for the professoriate, for being a researcher, for being a counselor educator. And if you choose to go back to being a clinician, we also prepare you to be a better clinician once you leave the program. We are about getting students ready. We are student focused. We are diversity focused. We are multiculturally focused. So we look at the whole person with all of the intersectionalities that you come into the program with. And we work with students, we work with faculty to ensure that students' opportunities here and experiences here facilitate their growth, not just as professionals, but also taking into consideration the other parts of who you are, whether you're a parent, whether you are a caregiver, all of those things, we work to support our students so that they are successful here.